Hello everyone, welcome to Plants on Lens. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for the genuine tips and information about plants. I have ordered some plants from ugaoo. Generally, I don't prefer to buy online, but this is the second time I choose to buy. First time when I ordered, it was anthurium, but that did not survive for a long time. There are two reasons I don't do online shopping. The first one, they look very attractive on the picture and they look bushy and healthy, but that's not the case when you receive them, right? And the second reason, comparatively, online plants are costlier even for small ones. This video is not promoting anything, I'm just sharing genuine feedback and my experience from online shopping. I ordered 3 plants. One is the silver satin pothos, a Philodendron Brazil variegated version, and Philodendron Micon. This is Philodendron Brazil variegated version. This is looking healthy and nice packaging. There was no damage in this plant. I'm keeping these boxes safely. My toddler wants to play with everything except his toys. Comment below if you also experience same thing. This Philodendron Micon, I always wanted to buy this one. Pretty good, right? But I expect a little bigger than this. That's okay since this plant is healthy. This price I would have bought bigger size plants from nursery, but I wanted to experience. And sometimes I don't always get varieties of plants in nursery. Let's open the final plant, silver satin pothos. I have mostly ordered all pothos. I like the silver design on top of these leaves, very eye-catching. I'm adding pictures of original photos which I ordered. What do you think? Are they matching what I received? Let me know your experience. This is self-watering pot, other two are simple pots. What do you think about these plants? Comment below. Let me talk about soil. I can see coco peat and aloe vera gel in this plant, and in Micon also I can see the same thing, coco peat and aloe vera gel, and the silver pothos I can see moss in it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.